I had a few questions come in about how to do the assignment, the specific heat assignment. So one question that was brought up was how do you find mass? So like number 2 asks you to find the mass of the metal sample. It gives you the two temperatures, so you should be able to subtract and get delta T. And it gives you the specific heat of the metal, and it's 0.4494 joules over grams degree C. And it gives you Q. So that means that the only thing that you need is M. So that means you need to take your equation, Q equals MC delta T, and you need to isolate M. In other words, get M by itself. So you're going to divide both sides by C and delta T. Okay, so that you can cancel out and get M by itself. So this is what you have. M equals Q divided by C times delta T. And you should be able to plug in the values that they give you. Don't forget, for delta T, you have to subtract the two temperatures. That's the change in temperature. Okay, I had a question about the last two. So number 5 asks for joules. Remember in the notes, I told you there's two different units of heat, joules and calories. Joules is a unit of heat. Heat is letter Q. So you're just going to solve Q equals MC delta T. You're just going to multiply the mass that they give you, the specific heat of water, and the change in temperature. So if we look at number 5, it gives us the mass, so there's M, and it gives us two temperatures. It goes from 10 to 15. So how much does it change? 5 degrees. And the only thing is you don't have the specific heat, but it tells you it's water. The specific heat of water is always 4.184. Look, it was given to you in number 1. The specific heat of water is 4.184. That is always, always, always going to be the specific heat of water. Okay? Always. Okay, on number 6, it's just asking for heat. So again, it's just asking for heat, and you have to know that heat is Q. So you're just using Q equals MC delta T. You got M. They give you the mass. Specific heat, they give you the specific heat of lead. PB is lead. And then they give you two temperatures. So you have to subtract the two temperatures. It says it goes from 75 to 25. So it changes, it drops by 50 degrees. So this is going to be 50 degrees C. So that should help you guys get those done.